Hello my beautiful viewers on Facebook and YouTube. What I've got for you now is Burtons fish and chips, lastings of salt and vinegar flavoured baked snacks. 5 bags. There you go, that's it. There we are, there's that important bit there. There we are. Turn it over. There you are. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah, there's the bag. That's what they look like. So anyway, let's give it a taste test. Here we go. That's a little fish. Both that's the chip. Well, what can I say? Well, it's lovely, really. I'd say a good 7 out of 10, really. To be honest with you, it is good, nice and salty. It reminds you when you first eat one. It's like the first bit of chip you get from a chippy when you put too much salt on, but it's good. Yeah, 7 out of 10. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little review of Burtons fish and chips, salt and vinegar, flavoured baked snacks, 5 bags in a pack. So please subscribe to my channel. James is the Oasis channel. The subscribe button's down there. Tell all your friends about my channel. There's 71 subscribers at the moment. Hoping for to be more. But who knows? It's all up to you guys to spread the word. James is the Oasis channel. Thank you very much.